This nursery reached out to us in desperate need of window cleaning. Their windows were incredibly dirty, having not been cleaned in quite some time. The frames were grimy, covered in cobwebs, dust, dirt, and even children's paint splats and marks. When we saw the state of the windows, we knew we were in for an exciting and fulfilling challenge. We began at the front of the building, prioritizing safety by placing cones around our work areas. Since it was a Saturday and the building was closed, we had the place to ourselves, making it easier to focus on the task. First, we tackled the frames. We applied a powerful chemical designed to strip away all the dirt and contaminants. As the chemical went to work, we could see the grime starting to break down. Using detailing brushes, we scrubbed into every corner and crevice, ensuring no spot was left untouched. Once the chemical had done its job, we rinsed the frames with hot, pure water, washing away the loosened dirt and revealing the clean surfaces beneath. It was incredibly satisfying to see the transformation happening right before our eyes. Next, we moved on to the windows themselves. Each pane was carefully cleaned to remove layers of dust, fingerprints, and those stubborn paint splats. We used a specialized cleaning solution that not only cleans but also leaves a streak-free finish, ensuring the windows would sparkle in the sunlight. Working our way methodically around the building, we focused on the worst areas with meticulous precision. We took our time, knowing that attention to detail was key to achieving the highest standards and results for our client. As we progressed, we could see the difference our work was making. The once dirty and neglected windows were becoming clear and bright. It was a rewarding experience, knowing that our efforts were bringing back the beauty and clarity of the nursery's windows. Not only did we want to wow the customer, but we also take huge pride in the work we carry out. We enjoy every minute of achieving a fantastic result, and this job was no exception. By the end of the day, the nursery's windows were spotless, the frames were pristine, and the difference was night and day. It was incredibly satisfying to see the complete transformation, and to know we'd made a real impact on the appearance of the building. This client is now going to be receiving a monthly cleaning cycle, which is going to keep these windows, frames, sills, and doors clean and protected. As we packed up our equipment, we reflected on the day's work. Each project brings its own unique challenges, but the reward of seeing a job well done makes it all worthwhile.